Hello, my name's Fernando, and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab. Secret detection is great at one thing, finding everything that looks like a secret. The problem, a lot of what it finds isn't a real leak. For example, keys in your docs, dummy tokens and test fixtures, placeholders in a simple environment file. So your team burns time triaging noise. Let's fix that with GitLab Duo secret false positive detection. In order to enable secret false positive detection, go to the Settings side tab and select General. Then from there, scroll down to the GitLab Duo section, then select Turn on Secret Detection False Positive Detection and press Save Changes. Now let's go ahead and enable the Secret Detection Scanner. We can do this by going to the Secure side tab and selecting Security Configuration. From here, we can apply the default secret detection security profile to automatically enable the scanner within our pipelines. Now let's take a look at the pipeline within the .gitlab CI YAML. Here we can see there's only a basic test job. But if we go to the last run pipeline, we can see that secret detection has been injected via the secret detection security profile. Now let's view the vulnerabilities with false positive detected. I can do this by going to the Secure side tab and selecting Vulnerability Report. This will give me an overview of all the vulnerabilities detected within the default branch. If I go over to the Activity column, I can see the likelihood that a vulnerability is a false positive. When hovering over the label, I can see the AI false positive confidence score in percentages. When selecting a vulnerability, such as AWS Secret Access Key, I can see detailed information about the vulnerability, including information about each false positive finding, including the confidence score, as well as an explanation which includes reasons why the finding may or may not be a true positive based on code context and secret characteristics. Additionally, information on how to rotate or delete your secret will be provided. And that is how GitLab Secret False Positive Detection saves you time and lets you focus on what really matters. Start your free trial of GitLab Ultimate and Dual Agent Platform today to see security built directly into the developer workflow. Ship faster and more securely. Thank you.